This file was never meant to be released. Atchafalaya Basin, Louisiana. 40 consecutive survey days. 0 birds. No calls. No nesting. No bodies. Nothing. The surrounding marsh is completely normal, right up to the property line. Then, nothing. The boundary is mathematically precise, not natural avoidance, active exclusion. Thermal imaging picked up a heat signature in the sediment. It pulses. Irregular. The ornithologists in the file admit they cannot explain it. The oldest warning system on Earth went completely silent. The final report asks only one question. Has it always been there? File terminated, fool.